Hey mama, I know how overwhelming it can feel to juggle family, chores, and maybe the dream of earning your own money, all from home. If you're worried about scams or get-rich-quick schemes, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through real, scam-free ways moms can make money online, step by step. Let's dive in. First up, freelance work. If you've ever written a killer email, organized family schedules, or designed a birthday invite, you already have marketable skills. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr let you offer services like writing, data entry, design, or even virtual assistants. Set up a profile, list your skills, and start applying to small jobs. My tip? Start with simple gigs, build your reviews, and you'll see more opportunities roll in. Second, online tutoring. Love helping with homework? Platforms like VIPKid or Tutor.com let you teach kids across the world, right from your living room. You don't need to be a certified teacher for many of these jobs. Patience and passion for helping others go a long way. Number 3, selling products or crafts. Got a creative spark? Etsy or Facebook Marketplace is perfect for moms who love making jewelry, art, or printables. Even if you're not the crafty type, consider print-on-demand shops. You upload a design, and companies handle the rest. Next, remote customer service. Major brands hire moms to answer calls and emails from home. Check out companies like Amazon or Alarica. All you need is a reliable internet connection and the ability to stay calm under pressure, which, let's be honest, most moms have mastered. I know it's easy to feel skeptical. Just remember, if a site asks for money up front or seems too good to be true, walk away. Stick with legit platforms and trust your gut. Before I wrap up, let me remind you, your journey matters. Whether you want to contribute to the family budget, save for a special treat, or just show your kids how strong and resourceful you are, you can do this. Start small, learn as you go, and celebrate every win, no matter how tiny. If you're ready to take that next step, check the link in the description below. I've shared my top recommended programs for stay-at-home moms who want to become financially free, fast. You've got this, mama, and I'm cheering for you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check that link below for more resources.